Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. We also get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower and has a 5-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 15,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.